We're Lily and Billy, a husband and wife team who believe life's greatest blessings are found in faith, family, and the simple joys of country living. Nestled deep in the hills and hollers of the Finger Lakes region, we're building a life filled with adventure, hard work, and plenty of memories along the way. When we're not tackling our latest home remodeling projects, you'll find us enjoying the outdoors with our dogs, Winston, Henry, and Eddie. We love riding the trails on our ATVs and soaking in the beauty of God's creation. Here's our cabin that we're going to start working on in the next few weeks. Our goal is to turn this into an Airbnb, so stay tuned for the renovations and the progress and everything else that comes along with renovations. We love breathing new life into our home, sharing our renovation successes and occasional mishaps, and embracing everything that comes with country living. Whether we're working on a project, exploring the woods, spending time with family, or simply enjoying a quiet evening on the hill, we're grateful for this life we get to share together. Jesus is at the center of our lives, guiding our journey and reminding us daily of the blessings we've been given. Join us as we navigate country life, home renovations, outdoor adventures, faith, family, and all the stories that come from living in the holler.